Arrive, show up. Meaning, to arrive somewhere. He showed up early for the interview. She showed up at the wedding unexpectedly. Wait, hold on. Meaning, to wait for a short time. Hold on while I answer the phone. Please hold on for a moment. Understand, figure out. Meaning, to understand something or find a solution. I finally figured out the answer. She figured out how the machine works. Examine, go over. Meaning, to review or check something carefully. Let's go over the report together. She went over her notes before the exam. Solve, work out. Meaning, to find a solution to a problem. We worked out the issue quickly. She worked out the math problem. Reduce, cut down on. Meaning, to reduce the amount of something. You should cut down on junk food. He is trying to cut down on spending. Tolerate, put up with. Meaning, to accept something unpleasant or annoying. I can't put up with the noise anymore. She puts up with a lot of pressure at work. Continue, carry on. Meaning, to keep doing something. Please carry on with your studies. They carried on talking for hours. Discover, find out. Meaning, to learn or discover information. I found out the truth yesterday. She found out about the job opening. Investigate. Look into. To examine or investigate something carefully. The police are looking into the matter. We will look into your complaint. Collect. Pick up. To go somewhere and collect a person or thing. I will pick up my brother after school. She picked up the parcel from the post office. Begin liking warm-up. Liking warm-up too. To gradually start liking someone or something. She warmed up to her new classmates. He warmed up to the idea after some discussion. Thanks for watching and subscribing us for more only English vocabulary.